chapter 9 begins like this. Because chapter 7, he finished speaking on Gyan and Karma. Chapter 1 through 6 is Gyan and Karma. Then 7 is kind of mixed Gyan and Bhakti. And then when he gets to 9th chapter, 9th to the end, then much Bhakti is just told there. So the 9th chapter is the beginning of the true meaning of Gita and the true secret teachings that Krishna wanted to give Arjuna, his Bhakta, Pandava Bhakta Arjuna, and he wanted to give to all the Vaishnavas of the world. So he begins chapter 8 by saying, Raja Vidya Rajaguyam Pavacham Paramam Mama. So this Raja Vidyam Rajaguyam Pavacham Paramam Mama. This knowledge I'm going to give you is, I gave so much vidya, so much knowledge. Karma Tattva, Gyan Tattva, Ashtanga Yoga Tattva. But now I'm going to give you Raja Vidya, the Raj, the king of all knowledge and the king of all secrets. Then he begins to say, Sarvadharman Prityaja, that's okay, but that's not one of the secrets. That's just transcend the Varna and Ashram and take shelter of Krishna. But once you do that, then what? Then you have to think of him. You have to worship him. So you can say, I believe this is the essence. This is the conclusion of Gita. Maybe Hindus will say that. But the speaker of Gita is not saying that. The Bhagavad Gita means the song of Bhagavan. Because a general Hindu, of course, they're good and they're pious and fortunate and very most fortunate people on the planet to be born in this land of Dharma, Bhumi. But their clear understanding of Tattva is quite cloudy, not so clear. So this is, the essence of Gita is not Sarva Dharman Prityaja, although everyone says that. Okay, you give up all your Dharma, but so now what? Then you merge in Brahman. Where's the bhakti in that? That's tyag. Tyag is the Gyan Marg. Oh, the word is there, tyag. Tyag means Gyan Marg. Yogi. Tyagi. Sarva Dharman Prityaja. Parityaja. From all sides. Pari means 8 things. 4 varnas and 4 ashramas. So, the Tyagi Sadhu, he has given up the 4 varnas, and he's given up the 4 ashramas. And he's not surrendered to Krishna, he's surrendered to Krishna. Okay, you surrender to Krishna, that's the beginning. Guru Krishna Shraya. You surrender to Krishna, now what? I'm done. I'm done, I'm finished. I got my degree, I finished. No more school for me, now I'm getting a job. Before that, he said, now I'm going to tell you the topmost king of all knowledge, topmost secret of all secrets, and the Bhagavad Gita Sar is this. Man mana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskar. What number is the Gita of that? What number of verse? No, it's in 2 places. This verse is so important that he lets out. First he says, and when he says, chapter 9 begins with, I'm going to tell you the greatest of all secrets. That's how it starts, verse 1. Then he gets to verse 34. Here's a gift for you.